ones that are at the back of your throat and your nose.
Yeah.
And he had
Barb
the
does
biggest
that
ones
sometimes.
that the bloke
Before I get your bed,
one
thank
I've ever
you.
seen. He's had them removed, so I sleep in the bedroom with him, he's not that bad.
Well, that's how you sound. Mum.
No, Mum sounds worse than
Do I?
you go.
I didn't think, I don't feel like I do as much as I used to, I don't know. Do I still do it?
You've got a bit of a honking.
Yeah. Do I still do it?
That's it.
Do I
Intake
still
though.
snore?
Yes.
When you intake, you go.